Adding Revolut virtual card to Apple Pay is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add Revolut virtual card to Apple Pay. The process is pretty simple. For that, you need to follow these instructions. Just open up your Revolut app and then go to the card section. This is what you will see. Right underneath your virtual card, you will see a button called as Add to Apple Wallet. If you are on your Android, you will see an option for Add to Google Wallet. So you just have to tap on the respective button. In this case, just tap on Add to Apple Wallet, and there you go. Your card will be added to your Apple Wallet. However, if that's not the case and you can't find that button, what you have to do is you just have to see the details of the card, which should be your card number, expiry, CVV. Now, after that, you have to open up your Apple Wallet app. This is what it will look. Tap on this plus icon. After tapping on this plus icon, these two options will pop up. Tap on debit or credit card, and then there will be an option for either you want to scan the card automatically or put it manually. Select manually and then enter the card details, which should including card number, expiry, and CVV. Once you have put the details, your card will be added to Apple Wallet. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.